Hello students, today we are going to talk about chapter number 9, Fairs and Festivals. Festivals are special days. We celebrate all the festivals with fun, joy and togetherness. There are two types of festivals that we celebrate: religious festivals and national festivals. Starting with religious festivals. Religious festivals are those festivals which are celebrated by the people of different religions. Diwali. Diwali is also known as the festival of light. People decorate their homes with diya, candles, flowers and rangoli. Hindu worship goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. On this festival, people exchange gifts and sweets. They enjoy a delicious feast and wear new clothes. Holi. Holi is a religious spring festival celebrated by Hindus. It is a festival celebrated with colors, water, and exchange of sweets. Dussehra. It is one of the festivals that celebrates the victory of good over evil. Durga Puja, Onam, Pongal, Ganesh Chaturthi, Lohri, Baisakhi and Raksha Bandhan are few major festivals celebrated in the different parts of the country. Eid. Eid is celebrated by the people of Muslim community. It is celebrated after a month of fasting during the holy month of Ramzan. On the day of Eid, they prepare delicious delicacies and greet their near and dear ones. Muslims go to the mosque to offer their prayers and they wish each other Eid Mubarak. Christmas. A Christian festival celebrating the birth of Lord Jesus Christ on 25th December every year. People decorate the Christmas tree. They wear new clothes, prepare sweets, gifts, cakes, and greet their family and friends. Santa Claus is said to leave gifts for children. Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated by the members of Sikh faith. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of their first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. They take out a colorful procession heading towards the Gurudwaras and serve prasad. Guru Ka Langar is prepared and served. Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture and traditions. They are meant to rejoice special moments and emotions in our lives with our loved ones. They play an important role to add structure to our social lives and to connect us with our families and backgrounds. Fair means gathering or mela. The Kumbh Mela is one of the largest fairs in India. Fairs can be theme-based, promoting a particular culture, art or skill. Generally at melas, people can find eateries, entertainment activities, shops and games. Chamba is famous for hosting two of the most popular fairs called Suhi Mata Mela and Minjar Mela. The most popular fair of Chamba is considered to be the Minjar Fair. National festivals are the pride of every country. National festivals are those festivals which are celebrated by the people of a nation. On the occasion of national festivals in India, the government declares that day as a national holiday throughout the country. We celebrate national festivals to mark the importance of historical events in the country and to value the sacrifice and contributions of various freedom fighters and great leaders. In India, there are three important national festivals that we all celebrate: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades, and cultural events. It is a national holiday. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 15th of August 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. Next, Republic Day. Republic Day has been celebrated every year on 26th January since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. On Republic Day, flag hoisting ceremonies and parades by army forces and school children are held in different parts of the country. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, Father of the Nation as he was called. Father of the Nation as he was called led India's freedom movement along with many other national leaders against the British rule in India. Students, festivals are not only about good food, new clothes, and fun. They also help us spread love and bring people closer. Thank you.